There are so many areas in the world that are not connected to the freshwater network. So some people cannot afford living a better life, therefore finding hard times in farming and their daily living. Thanks to the Creative Water Foundation that is creating a freshwater stream harvesting channel to help people around these areas. And this is giving them hope for tomorrow because they have freshwater all around them. These 4 cutting nets are really an innovative idea that is really changing people around the world. They have a great and incredible working process, and this is as follows. The 4 cutting nets work in a way that in areas where there are no fresh water, there is always fog, and this fog moves within the water droplets, which are trapped into the net and hence are pulled down over gravity into the pipes where they are collected. These pipes are designed in a way that they can collect a large amount of water, hence driving it into the collection tanks. And these collection tanks can really store fresh water for people to drink, farm, and use in their daily work. So this water insecurity was a big problem to the community, but this Creative Channel Foundation is really changing the way how people are living. They are providing security of water to people that really cannot afford to move a better life tomorrow. The most interesting part of all is that this water that is being collected is free to drink and use in daily work without purifying it. So thanks the Creative Water Foundation. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more educational content. Thank you very much.